Well, well, look who finally decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make you worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempting robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, and even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, how do you want me to bring you in? My apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some invasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by. Well, well, look.
My apologies, everyone. Had to deploy some invasive maneuvers. A flock of ducks flew by.
Hey, you think you could let me out of here? Oh, thank you.
Hey, you! Stop right there!
What's going on?
Looks like he set off some sort of alarm in the vault?
What? He's gone rogue? Alright, move to plan B. Call in reinforcements and move in. Yeah, this is Jeffrey. I got him right here, so you guys don't need to...
Come on now! Wilson, we've got to get out of here. We've got chaos at our front doorstep. We're not built to deal with this, man. Go, evacuate everyone. I can take care of this. Goodbye.
Well.
Check. This is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
How are you liking it?
Hey, good job there.
Well. Look who finally...
Hey, I've been looking at the numbers here. What do you think? Ah, yes. Let me have a look.
Go, hold him off! Come on, then! Everyone listen up. We've got a security alert. Keep a lookout for a guy in a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious.
Hurry up now, activate the doors.
Whoa.
No, get away!
Now I've got you.
Help, help! Listen. You've defeated my right-hand man. You've defeated me. I surrender the airship to you.
Great work, Henry. Now just get him to us, and he'll get your life back.
Check, this is Charles. Just thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck.
How are you liking it?
Hey, good job there. Oh, so we should probably look for something incriminating. Something that we can use to prove that they're criminals, you know? I mean, whole point of this operation.
Alright, gentlemen. We've been tasked with developing new weapons for the clan. Any ideas?
I was kind of thinking.
Nah, we can't do that. Why not, man? You do realize how much a solid gold cannon would weigh, don't you?
Dude, we totally got enough power.
What do you think, man?
Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh?
Alright, here I come. Da 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 da. Yeah, I have this thing here that can manipulate gravity. Should be able to get you to float across.
Let me just... wait. Up. Down. Did it work?
Alright, here it comes.
Card in. Okay. Press
None of that guy knows how to open the door. Yeah, why don't you just let me take care of this?
Understands this.
Eh. Oh man, I remember this. Good thing nobody knows about this or we'd be in a lot of trouble. Oh, hello, Mr. Spider.
Alright, you got some evidence. Oh, wait. There's no way you're getting through there. There's lots of guys and there's lots of guns. That's all I'm gonna say. It looks like you can get around if you go through that air duct. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, shutting down the power now. Alright, I've hacked into their power grid. What do you want me to do? Okay, I'll reroute the power to a random room, that's fine. No! Alright, Henry, you're almost there. I'm right outside, so just open the bay doors, and I'll, get you on the chopper.
Hey! What are you doing?
Yeah, we got a situation down in the cargo bay.
Psst. Hey, there's a button on your earpiece. You should press it.
What's going?
This could be a problem.